Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to install Rocketfish banana plugs on speaker wires. Basically we're going to start out with these speaker wires. We're going to split them apart. I'm going to do it by hand. Not too far apart, about this much should be okay. And we're gonna take one of the plugs. So when you order these or buy these, you'll get 4 plugs, 2 reds, 2 blacks, plus you'll get 4 of these compression collars. 4 of them will be white, 4 will be black. The white ones are for thicker wires like 12 to 14 gauge. The black ones are for smaller wires, 16 to 18 gauge. So since these wires are 14 gauge, they're thicker, I'm going to use the white ones. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these apart, unscrew them, and this is the back end cap. It's the red one, so we're going to look for the red stripe on the wire and just put the wire through it. You don't have to expose the wire or anything like that. You can just leave it like that. There's a small needle or pin inside the banana plug terminal. So what you want to basically do is you want to take you see the open part, the hole where the wire is. You're going to have to insert that into the where the needle is, basically into the center of the wire. But first we're going to have to install these compression collars. So I'm going to use the white one. If they don't fit, just, you know, there's like the back part of it is kind of cut. Just open it up a little bit so it fits. It's kind of hard to put them through because the wires are really thick. Okay, let's see. All right, so we got this one through, and we're gonna take the wire right in the center, and you're gonna push it in as far as it'll go. Okay, and then bring the compression collar as close as to the terminal as possible, and then the back end cap, just screw it onto the banana plug terminal. And then you have to try to really screw it hard in there. It'll stop eventually. Okay, that's done. And the next one, we're gonna take the next one out. Take it apart. This is the black one, which will be the negative. Take it apart, slide it on the wire. Compression collar again on top of it. Okay, center of the wire. The pin goes right into that center. Push it in as hard as you can until it doesn't go anymore. The compression collar, bring it as close as you can to the terminal here, and then the back end cap just goes over it. That's it, done. Thank you for watching.